To get started, simply download the app from the Play Store or App Store and log in with your Maersk.com credentials. Sign in and enable biometrics for a seamless, secure experience. Once logged in, invoice notifications are automatically enabled. You'll be notified as soon as a new invoice is ready. Tap the notification to access your invoice and choose to pay or view. Select Pay to complete your payment right in the app, or tap View to see the invoice and share or download it as a PDF. To revisit alerts, tap the bell icon from the home screen. If you're not receiving notifications, update your settings under Profile. Now you have learned how to view and manage invoice notification in our app. Thank you for watching, and we are excited to hear your experience once you have tried it out.